Okay, so my nail lady, the girl who does my nails, her name is Lily, and my little sister, her name is Lily. My sister is Lil in my phone, and my nail lady's Lily. So it was my sister's birthday on Saturday. I texted Lily, my nail lady, "Happy birthday, sis, love you lots." And she answered saying, with laughing faces and saying, "Thank you." So I texted back, I'm like, "Just a laughing face, eh?" No answer. So a couple days later, today, I went to go FaceTime my sister because she's in Mexico and whatever, I just wanted to FaceTime her. She's calling me right now. Is this Lily? I gotta see. Hey! You're gonna piss at what I just did.
No, what did you just do?
So, for your birthday, I went to text you, but Lily the nail lady is in my phone under Lily. So I texted the nail lady, I'm like, "Happy birthday, sis, like, love you lots, baby girl." She answers, "Thank you," and with a laughing face. So then I thought it was you, so I'm like, "Just a laughing face, eh?" So right before this, I went to go FaceTime you, but I accidentally FaceTimed Lily. So she answers the phone with her glasses, she's like, "Hello?" I'm like, "Oh my gosh."
You're so dumb.
I know.
Sound check, sound check. This girl does not say please and thank you.
Yes, I do, baby.
Disrespectful. No, you don't.
Sound check, sound check.
What it do, baby? Listen, Melanie, where are we going?
IKEA!
We are going to IKEA. So as you guys know, we got a house coming. We need to start finding stuff for the crib. There's no IKEA where we're from, where Melanie's from, where we live. But with that being said, we're gonna go check it out. Mel's gonna fall in love. I have no doubt about it. But let's see what we can find. We need a table. Table is the #1 thing that we need right now. Juice right now is reckless on the road.
Bro, what do you mean? This guy's not turning right. Oh wait, it's not even here, eh? Oh
Welcome to Montreal, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who don't know, there is construction everywhere. Construction everywhere, guys. Everywhere. This is not a joke. I'm pretty excited. I've never been here. I feel like I'm more excited for Mel though, but I'm excited as well. Basically what we're trying to do is we're going for gray, white, interior, greens. So if let's say we take an example, a perfect example. If you guys can follow me, I'm gonna show you a perfect example. Our couch would be similar to this, but it's gonna have a little bit of blue.
Gray, babe, not blue.
I'm saying the couch.
It's not blue.
What color is it?
Gray.
It's not gray.
He also thought that my hat I was wearing today was gray. So.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. So as you guys can see, this is what we're trying to go for. A little couch, little TV. The TV's gonna be against the wall though. And we're gonna put the little on top, in the bottom actually. We're gonna put the thing in the bottom.
Oh my god.
Starving, bro.
Almost done?
Listen, the video's coming pretty good actually so far. I know you guys can't see it because we got a thing on the screen where from that angle you can't see it. But hey, the sandwich good, video's good. Stay tuned, baby. There's something you should go. It's gonna be white and what? White?
Just freaking white everything. Everywhere. Remember that?
White everywhere, eh? You like white everywhere? Yeah?
I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure to go subscribe and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it. And then if you want a movie, if you want books, if you want the video games. Bonjour messieurs, bienvenue
Would you like some wine?
au souper. Absolument. Bonjour madame, monsieur, bienvenue au souper d'élimination. Alors, on va commencer avec monsieur Vincent Boyle. Comment tu te sens par rapport à une certaine fille dans l'aventure aujourd'hui? And Vinny will be like, oh écoute, tu sais c'est sûr que la fille elle a Elle a essayé de jouer à la game, tu sais, moi je suis pas d'accord avec ça. Shut the f***. Excuse me, man, how can I help you?
Just looking.
Just looking? If you have anything, just ask for Cookiee Cooks, okay? Even this fake bread doesn't fall. Don't steal the bread at IKEA.
It's actually pretty comfy. You want to try, don't you?
How are you, my daughter?
Okay. How are
Daddy?
you, Daddy?
Hey, you gonna get a spread? Listen, I don't know when are we gonna get the hell out of here, but this is gonna take forever. Mel's gonna buy the whole store, and it's gonna be a mess. Look at her.
What do you say?
Huh?
What do you say?
I just said how much I love you.
Oh, thank you. I love you. We don't have money, so we gotta go with the cheap stuff. $11? Why not?
Take
right?
a picture then.
You're taking pictures. Take a picture. Take a picture. There it is.
I love him. I love him. I think this table's the one. Boom, boom. Boom, put it in here. Pistachios, look at that. Fresh pistachios, ladies and gentlemen. Where did that come from? I have no clue.
I like.
You can play bangers.
Turn it louder. Louder.
Ooh.
Look at yourself.
I know, I can see all my imperfections under that.
Oh, your what? Look at it again. Look how perfect you are. Look at yourself, Mel. Look at yourself. Look how perfect you are. Keep looking at yourself.
No, I don't like you.
This girl. Come meet me in bed, honey. What do you think?
So comfy.
No shoes on the bed? Thank you.
This is nice too.
No, I don't like it.
Oh my god, 149. We're getting it. Take a picture.
I don't like it.
You do. You like this thing.
I like you.
Take a picture.
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
No.
Let's go back to that room. What do you like?
I just want to look at the stairs.
Just sit right here and let's see what she's on.
This thing.
Story of my life. Yeah, we've been around here already. Oh my goodness. This could be so cute. She's like, yeah, I already looked at this. Let me just turn around. You need to sign a deal here. I just saw my schedule. I have a video scheduled tomorrow in LA with David Dobrik. I'm gonna have to call David Dobrik and tell him I'm on my way. For those of you who don't believe me, David Dobrik, you guys can see it here, blue check mark. We don't talk on Instagram usually, we text. But what we're gonna do is very simple for you guys. We're gonna call him. Oh shit, he can't join. He must have blocked me or something. I'm gonna have to text him because this makes no sense. David? David? Come on now. David doesn't want to answer, bro. I thought we were friends. No, he must be sleeping. So we're gonna let him wake up. He probably had a rough night. Over there it's 3 here, so over there it's 12 right now. Yeah, he must be sleeping. Juice woke up at 12:30 today. David Dobrik is sleeping. We got the shoes here just to dress up. This is what I use usually when I go to a conference or something like that. Jeans, Balmain, Versace, Guess. Okay, we're gonna keep going here, guys. So obviously we're in Montreal. It's cold. You need your coats. You need a suitcase always when you're trying to leave. Excuse me, honey. I'm trying to do an interview here. Ooh. This is Mel's section. It's all a bunch of fake purses and fake gold and fake freaking comme des garçons. It's all fake.
Why'd you buy me fake shit?
Huh?
Why'd you buy new fake?
Who told you it was fake?
These are my purses, Gucci, Louis V, Prada.
All fake though. Don't forget, it's all fake. She's backing off already.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Listen, IKEA was lit. We got everything we need. We are happy now, though. The question is, you guys see this mess right here? How am I gonna fit that in my car to drive 8 hours back to Windsor? Make sure to go like, share, and subscribe. Mel? Juice? Peace out, homie G!